Hello everyone, you are watching our official YouTube channel. Today we discuss chapter 1 of class first. So let's get started. First chapter is machine. In this chapter we learn about various types of machine. So before moving towards to the machine chapter, we have to discuss here firstly the things. What is things? As we are aware, all things are either man-made or God-made. Student, we all know in this earth, all things are either man-made or God-made. So there are some examples of man-made things and God-made things. If we are talking about God-made things, then the earth is a planet or planet is a natural thing. So it is God-made things, and planets are made by God. These are natural things, and we are also created by God. So things which is natural things and created by the God is called a God made things. There are some examples of a God made things such as sun, plants, rock, water, animals, cloud, air, soil, etc. And vice versa, things which is not created by God have been made by the humans are called man-made things. Those things are made to reduce human efforts and save time. Basically, the main purpose of man-made things are reduce human efforts and save time. There are some human-made things such as pen, pencil, bicycle, roads, building, machinery, and equipments. Bicycle is used to reduce the transport times, so this help to reduce human efforts and save time. We discussed what is things, and they categorize as man-made and God-made. Now we are moving towards to the machine. Machines are created by humans to reduce physical work and save time. And further, machine is categorized into three types on the basis of their power. First, human power machine. Second, fuel power machine. Third is electricity power machine. There are some examples of human power machine, fuel power machine, and electricity power machine. If I'm talking about the human power machine, then cycle, handmade fan, carts are human power because they require human efforts. Fuel power such as motorcycle, bus, aeroplane, and etc. because they are operated by petrol or diesel. So these are called fuel power machine. Electricity power machine, things which is uses electricity as power. These are refrigerators, fan, television, washing machine, and computer. So, students, these are some examples of electricity power, fuel power, and human power. So, there are some fact about the computer. The computer is a machine. We all know computer is a machine. Second fact is computer runs on the electricity power. Definitely, because computer is man-made things and come under the purview of electricity power. So we can say computer runs on the electricity power. Computer provides data storage solutions because computer have capacity to store ample amount of data. Computer is a now fourth fact, computer is a faster and accurate machine. So student, recall this chapter again and again. Now we move to questions and answer. Question number A, fill in the blanks. These are the some word to use fill the blank. Question number 1, computer is a blank machine. So we can fill here, computer is a electrical machine. Electrical machine. And second is, computer is used to store information. Third one is, God made things are natural things. Fourth question is, human made things are? Definitely it is man made things. Fifth question, machine help to reduce work and time. So we fill here work and time. Now moving toward to the second question. B, write true or false. True for correct and false for wrong. Question number 1, machine are man-made things. Definitely machines are man-made things. So we put here true. True. Now question number 2 is, machine are used to save time. Yes, machine are used for save time. So it is true. Now question number 3 is, lion and plants are machine. No, lions and plants are not machine, because lions and plants are natural things which is created by the God. So it is not machine. So we use here false. Question number 4, computer is a machine. Yes, computer is a machine. Now question number 5, computer runs on electricity. Yes, computer runs on electricity. It is true. Now moving towards to the another question. C, look at picture given below. Write G for God made things and M for made things. There are some questions related to the God made things or made things. So let's get started. Refrigerator is man-made things, so we put here M for man-made things. And tree are natural things, so we put here G for God-made things. Now question number 3, clock is man-made things. Again, sun natural things, so again God-made things. Elephant is natural things, so God made things. So it is G for God made. Birds are God made things. And question number 7, wheels are man made things. And question number 8, orange is natural thing, so God made. Question number 9, aeroplane is man-made thing, because it is fuel power machine. Calculator is machine, so it is man-made. So student, this is the chapter 1 of computer book. I hope you understand well, and thank you very much.